Thanks for choosing the Dutch Plus. This test takes everything our Dutch Complete offers and adds saliva collections, giving you an even more comprehensive look at your hormones and how your body metabolizes them. These results give your provider the insight to understand your hormones and recommend care tailored specifically to you. In this video, you'll see what's inside your kit and how to follow instructions to collect, dry, store, and return your urine and saliva samples to the lab for processing. Let's get started. When you receive your kit at your home or from your provider, you'll find one instruction page, 4 urine collection strips, 6 saliva tubes, 2 resealable bags, 1 for dried urine samples and 1 for saliva tubes, your test requisition form, and a prepaid return mailer. Before you begin, read the instructions carefully and complete your requisition form. If you're a cycling female or taking certain supplements or hormones, check the instructions page for guidance on when to start collection. This test is collected over the course of 24 hours. During the collection period, it's important to avoid all alcohol, limit caffeine intake to no more than a standard 8-ounce cup of coffee, and keep your total fluid intake under 40 ounces. Do not drink any liquid in the 2 hours before each collection. There are a few things that might impact your test results. Avoid banana, fava beans, and creatine the day of the test. Supplements or medications like glucocorticoids, tyrosine, L-DOPA, D-L-phenylalanine, Mucuna, or quercetin may also impact results. But we don't want you to discontinue anything essential, so please check with your provider if you should skip them or not for the purposes of this test. It's important to ensure proper dosing is observed, as these supplements may impact some of the neurotransmitter metabolites we measure. Some of you may be on hormone therapy, and while the Dutch test is intended to test your levels while on these therapies, there are still some types that should be paused for better results. If you are taking oral or sublingual DHEA, estrogen, or pregnenolone, we ask that you skip the doses for 72 hours prior to testing. However, we are not requesting you to skip any birth control unless your provider advises you to do so. Please be sure to consult your healthcare provider directly. If you use hormone gels or creams daily, continue as usual. For patches, pellets, or injections taken less often, aim to collect halfway between doses. Many women also take oral progesterone. This is the one oral hormone to continue as normal, typically at bedtime. Unless required upon waking, delay morning medications and supplements until after the last 2 morning samples. You can take these once the final collection is complete. If anything isn't clear after reading these instructions, please call our lab or reach out to your provider before you begin collection. You can also review our hormone therapy instructions support page for additional information. Prior to collection, make sure to fill out your requisition form. We will not be able to process your samples without this information, so please be sure to fill this out completely before you continue. Begin with your personal information on the front: name, date of birth, and personal details. Then provide any hormone, supplement, and prescription information. If necessary, feel free to provide additional information in the text boxes on the back side of the requisition form before proceeding to the next step. Now let's talk about when to collect. If you are postmenopausal, no longer cycling, or male, you can collect any day. If you have a 28-day cycle, collect between days 19 to 22. That's about 6 to 9 days before your period. If your cycle is a little shorter or longer, adjust so you're still collecting 6 to 9 days before it ends. If your cycle length varies from month to month, please consider using our cycle collection calculator, available at dutchtest.com/cycle calculator. You'll collect 4 urine and 6 saliva samples. The first sample, titled Waking, is collected within 5 minutes of waking up and includes both saliva and urine. Do not eat or drink for 1 hour following the sample, including brushing your teeth. Set a timer for 30 minutes once collected. The second sample, titled Plus 30 Minutes, is saliva only. Do not eat or drink for 30 minutes following the sample, and do not brush your teeth yet. Set a timer for 30 minutes once collected. The third sample, titled Plus 60 Minutes, is saliva only. Once you've completed this collection, you can brush your teeth and have something to eat or drink. Set a timer for 1 hour once collected. The fourth sample, titled Plus 2 Hours, is urine only. The fifth sample, titled Dinner, is collected just before your normal dinner time, typically around 5 p.m. or 10 to 14 hours after waking, and includes both saliva and urine. Please rinse your mouth with water 5 to 10 minutes prior to collecting the saliva portion. The sixth sample, titled Bedtime, is collected just before going to bed, between 10 p.m. and midnight, and includes both urine and saliva. Please rinse your mouth with water 5 to 10 minutes prior to collecting the saliva portion. The optional sample, titled Mid-Sleep or Midday, is only saliva and is meant to be collected during the night if you are struggling with insomnia. If you do not collect the saliva sample during the night, you may collect around noon the following day or about 5 to 7 hours after waking. Now that you understand the collection schedule, when ready to collect your urine or saliva samples, start by filling out your personal information on each label: name, date of birth, sex, and collection time. When ready to collect, be sure to check the box for which sample you're collecting and enter the time of day. It's best to fill out as much as possible before you begin collection. If you do not complete all information on each collection device, we may not be able to process your samples, so please ensure you filled out every line. Open the collection strip. The filter paper on the inside flap is the part you'll saturate with urine. Collect your sample by urinating directly on the filter paper for 2 to 3 seconds or dip it into a clean cup for 2 to 3 seconds. Either way, be sure the paper is fully saturated. Once you've verified your paper is fully saturated, lay it flat on a clean surface to dry for at least 24 hours. Samples must be completely dry before shipping. If you can't ship within 48 hours, fold and place your dried samples in their plastic bag and store them in the freezer. When collecting your saliva samples, start by labeling each saliva tube with your name, date, and time of collection. Do this before you begin collecting. Remove the blue cap on the saliva tube to reveal the tightly packed cotton swab. Do not remove the internal compartment. Place the cotton swab in your mouth. Please refrain from touching the swabs with your hands as much as possible. If you use hydrocortisone cream, it's best not to touch them at all. Once the cotton swab is in your mouth, keep it there for about 2 to 3 minutes until it's fully saturated. Limit the length of time the cotton swab is in your mouth to no more than 5 minutes total. Once it is fully saturated, place the swab back into its tube. Cap it tightly and place it in the resealable plastic bag for shipment. Do not spit directly into the saliva tubes. Be sure to freeze your samples until you're ready to ship. After completing all your collections, double check all samples are properly labeled on the filter papers and the requisition form. Before packaging your urine strips for return, confirm they are completely dry. Then fold and place them in the resealable bag and seal it. Place the sealed bag of samples and your completed requisition form into the return mailer. Ensure the mailer is securely closed, then drop the package off at the appropriate carrier. If you have any questions, visit dutchtest.com/instructions or contact us at info@dutchtest.com or 503-687-2050. Thank you for choosing to test with Dutch. We're proud to be part of your health journey, and we look forward to helping you and your provider get answers that make a real difference. If Dutch has impacted your life, we'd love to hear from you. Thank you for being part of our mission to profoundly change one life, then a million more.